Hey guys, it's your girl Oprah Winfrey, but you already knew that, and if you didn't, then now you do.
Wondering maybe, can I have back my that I never felt before? It was down right,
Do y'all like my new intro? I absolutely love it. Someone reached out to me and did it for me, and I will tag her down below, and I just absolutely love it. I'm going to teach y'all how to braid hair, but first I'm going to show you guys the stuff that I use. So I went to the beauty supply store, and they always put a bunch of stuff in my bag, which I love, but the hair that I use is 3X Rawa braiding hair, pre-stretched and 24 inches. You can get any color you want. I just got 1B, and I got this brush to help stretch her hair, and I got edge control, support black businesses. I got beeswax, and a comb, a couple combs actually, because I lose them a lot. And this is the stuff that they put in my bag. It's so sweet of them. In the next video, I'm going to show you guys how to actually braid, but first, that's the stuff that you need to get started. Being able to braid hair is a great way to save money, and it also comes in super handy during times like this where you don't want to be around a lot of people and expose yourself to the coronavirus. So it's just an easy task to learn, and it's going to be great for you. Alright, so just a couple quick announcements. The giveaway is still happening. You can still keep commenting inches under my post for the opportunity to win either a bottle of liquid biotin, a set of shampoo, conditioner, and hair cream, or a set of essential oils. Also, I'm very excited to be starting a brand new series on my channel, and stay tuned for that. It's coming very soon. So make sure you hit the notification bell so you'll be the first to be notified when I post a new video and to know who won the giveaway. If you guys do decide to start trying out braiding, make sure you DM me pictures or videos or anything, and I would love to see it. If you need any more, if you have more questions, you can always hit me up. All my information will be in the description below, and I can't wait to see you guys start. It's gonna be so cute. Okay, all right, bye.
wondering maybe